Glycolysis. Glycolysis is the first phase of aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Glycolysis is the first phase of aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. It occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. It occurs means glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. Glycolysis means one glucose molecule lyses into or cleaves into two molecules of pyruvic acids. Glycolysis means one glucose molecule is lyses into or cleaves into two molecules of pyruvic acids called glycolysis. The glycolysis first identified by Emden Mayer of Parenson. Emden Mayer of Parenson, scientists. So this pathway is also called EMP pathway. EMP pathway means Emden Mayer of Parenson pathway. The glycolysis first identified by Emden Mayer of Parenson scientist. So the glycolysis is also called EMP pathway. Now we discussed about the mechanism of glycolysis. Mechanism of glycolysis. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. In the cytoplasm, glucose molecules are present. The glucose molecule containing 6 carbon atoms. The 6 carbon atoms of glucose molecule cleaves into 2 molecules of pyruvic acids or lyses into 2 molecules of pyruvic acids. So glycolysis means glucose molecules lyses into or cleaves into 2 molecules of pyruvic acids, pyruvate acids. The first reaction is glucose molecule. 6 carbon atoms of glucose molecule utilized 1 ATP in presence of hexokinase enzyme to form glucose 6-phosphate. Glucose 6-phosphate. Again, the glucose 6-phosphate convert into glucose 6-phosphate convert into fructose 6-phosphate in presence of phosphoglucose isomerase enzyme. Phosphoglucose isomerase enzyme. Again, the fructose 6-phosphate utilized 1 ATP molecule to form fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Fructose 6-phosphate utilized 1 ATP to form fructose 1,6 biphosphate in presence of phosphofructose kinase enzyme. Phosphofructose kinase enzyme. Here it is fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate cleaves into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate contains 3 carbon atoms. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate also containing 3 carbon atoms. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate cleaves into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, dihydroxyacetone phosphate in presence of aldolase enzyme. in presence of aldolase MJ. Again here it is 3 carbon atoms of dihydroxyacetone phosphate. 3 carbon atoms of dihydroxyacetone phosphate convert into glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate in presence of triose phosphate isomerase enzyme. Triose phosphate isomerase enzyme. See, at end of this reaction, here it is 2 glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. 2 glyceraldehyde 3 phosphates are formed. These 2 glyceraldehyde 3 phosphates are convert into 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. 2 glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate molecules are convert into 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate molecules in presence of glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate hydrogenase MJ. In this reaction, 2 molecules of NADHs are developed. 2 NAD plus combines with 2 molecules of inorganic phosphate to form 2 molecules of NADH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogen. 2 molecules are formed in this reaction, and 2 molecules of 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate molecules convert into 3 phosphoglycerate in presence of phosphoglycerate kinase enzyme. Phosphoglycerate kinase enzyme. In this reaction, 2 ATP molecules are synthesized from 2 ADP molecules. 2 ADP molecules are bind with 2 inorganic phosphate to form 2 ATP molecules. Again, 2 molecules of 3 phosphoglycerate. 2 molecules of 3 phosphoglycerate convert into 2 phosphoglycerate in presence of phosphoglycerate mutase enzyme. Phosphoglycerate mutase enzyme. Here it is 2 molecules of 2 phosphoglycerate. 2 molecules of 2 phosphoglycerate convert into phosphoenol pyruvic acid. 2 molecules of phosphoenol pyruvate in presence of enolase enzyme. 2 molecules of phosphoglycerate molecules convert into 2 molecules of PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate, in presence of enolase enzyme. And the 2 PEP, 2 molecules of phosphoenol pyruvate convert into 2 molecules of pyruvate acids. 2 molecules of pyruvate in presence of pyruvate kinase enzyme. During this reaction, 2 ADP molecules bind with 2 inorganic phosphates to form 2 ATP molecules. Finally, at end of the glycolysis, 2 molecules of pyruvates are formed. In each pyruvate, 3 carbon atoms are present. What is mean of glycolysis? Glucose, 6 carbon atoms of glucose participated in the glycolysis. It cleaves into 2 molecules of pyruvate acids called glycolysis. In this reaction, in this glycolysis, 2 NADH are formed. The 2 NADH are formed in the cytoplasm of the cell. So these 2 NADHs are called cytosol NADH. Cytosol NADH. From each one NADH, 2 ATP molecules are formed during the oxidative phosphorylation. One each NADH molecule, only 2 ATP molecules are formed during the oxidative phosphorylation. Means finally 2 into 2 means 4 ATPs are formed from the 2 NADH, and directly 4 ATPs are developed. 4 ATPs are developed. Total 8 ATPs are formed in the glycolysis. From this total 8 ATPs, first and third reactions utilized 2 ATP molecules. So from the 8 ATPs, 2 ATP molecules utilized in the glycolysis. Net gain of ATPs in glycolysis, 6 ATPs only. 6 ATPs are formed in the glycolysis reaction. The total glycolysis reactions are occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell.